Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. Daiso is one of Japan's 100 yen shop brands, known for offering a massive variety of unique and quirky products. Almost everything can be bought for a mere 100 yen, that's less than $1, with only a few exceptions. Daiso Japan's selection boasts an astounding 70,000 different items. Here, you'll find everything you need to enhance and fancy up your daily life. Browsing the colorful aisles is surprisingly fun, as you'll stumble upon all kinds of little treasures you never knew you wanted. One of Daiso's biggest draws is that despite the low price, all of its goodies are of astoundingly high quality. That, of course, makes shopping there even more exciting. If you see something that strikes your fancy, take it home. Daiso in Japan is the ultimate shop if you are wondering where to buy cheap souvenirs in Tokyo. Please like, share, and subscribe. Our favorite Daiso store in Tokyo is Dex Aqua City. If you are traveling with kids on a family trip to Tokyo, then you must visit Aqua City. It is the most colorful, noisy, on-trend, vivid, creative, lively town in Tokyo, full of throngs of bubbly, chatty tourists and the odd cosplayers dressed up in anime outfits. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. Did we say colorful? Yes. Good. Think. Cute kawaii food and every kind of sweet and savory crepe imaginable. Kooky but cool Tokyo fashion and knee-high socks. Loud, crazy music and dancing. Unusual Tokyo souvenirs. Daiso Japan is one of the best 100 yen stores and discount product chain stores in Japan, with branches now popping up all over the world. With many Daiso products costing around 100 yen and upwards, Daiso Japan makes it easy to fill your home, garden, or school bag with affordable items and budget buys. So next time you visit Japan, or you are done with Don Quijote stores, dive into Daiso. What is Daiso Japan? Why is Daiso so popular? Daiso is a Japanese discount store that has around 6,500 locations worldwide, including branches in America, Australia, Taiwan, and South Korea. Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. As of 2025, there are 4,600 Daiso stores in Japan, plus they are launching new upmarket discount chain stores, including standard products. Daiso was founded in 1972, selling thousands of products for just 100 Japanese yen each. In a word, Daiso has nice household items at very low prices. At Daiso Japan, you can buy everything from cute cat outfits to epic egg timers. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.